Hello beautiful people of the world, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe and support your girl. It's our day off and we decided to explore a really nice beach in Sydney where Mission Impossible 2 action scenes were shot. After getting my daily dose of coffee, we hit the road. We stopped at Woolies, collected some healthy snacks, and that's the look of the day. Later in this video, we will also be dining in one of my favorite restaurants in Sydney, so stay tuned till the end. And let's start our spontaneous Woolly date while watching the sunset. You don't have to worry about the parking because there's a lot of parking. We parked our car and we thought we'll just look around. Oh, by the way, this is La Perouse. It's a beautiful day, so absolutely covered with people. As you can see, there are great spots for dates, family gathering, picnic, or just enjoying the amazing sunset. Let me show you the 360 view. Now we are heading straight to check out where Mission Impossible was shot. We saw a lot of people going through the rocks and we couldn't find the stairs. So my husband thought, we can do it, so can we. And then he decided to just go off. And he did. What he was not aware of is that I'm literally scared of heights. So here I am, halfway through, in between the rocks, and honestly at this moment I really thought this was the end of me because it's windy, rocks are wet, I am fat, and I am not wearing the right shoes. So definitely gravity is going to kill me today. While I'm reciting my last prayers because nowhere on earth am I going to survive this, I think my husband saw the fear in me and then he decided to climb back up and show me where my next steps should be, one at a time, so it's easier. Thankfully nothing happened and I was finally there. So this is the wall and we were right at the top of it, so we climbed down from the top. I had my own Mission Impossible experience here. Quickly moving towards the site where the movie was shot, and this was the shot. Here you go. After a bit of sightseeing, we were really hungry, so we thought we'll just snack up and then go back to check out the bridge. We got some tomato, fig, pistachio crackers with hummus, Lipton, and some cookies and chips. I saw this ice cream truck and I knew I had to get some. Double dip choc pop covered in hazelnut cost us $12, but absolutely worth it. This is my favorite. After our Woolly date, we decided to quickly check out the bridge before the sunset where the scene was shot. So this is the bridge and we were right across on the other side. We crossed the bridge and this scene was shot right here. How cool is this? I'm standing right where Tom Cruise was standing in 2002. Okay, in all fairness, I don't get excited regarding all these things, generally speaking, but it's a gorgeous sight, so I thought why not just show you guys, and obviously it's a fun fact, so I just incorporated the Mission Impossible thing in this video for the sake of it. But I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to comment below and tell us how you felt about it, or give a thumbs up, and let's move on to having dinner at Armani, one of my favorite restaurants. This is me awkwardly smiling, waiting for the food, and our food has arrived. We ordered mixed grill and mushroom soup. Along came some pita and pita crisps. The mushroom soup looked amazing because it was a winterish evening, so we wanted something warm along with the mixed grill. As you know, mixed grill is my favorite and Armani does it well. So let's dive in. If it wasn't obvious yet, we love hummus. And the hummus Armani makes is amazing, especially with the pita crisp. And then we tried the lamb kebabs. It was juicy, moist, and very subtle on the spices. Cooked to perfection, as you can see, pink from the middle. And that is my plate with a bit of tabbouleh and a piece of all those skewers. So first I tried the chicken. Chicken was a bit on the dry side. I didn't like that much. But the lamb was cooked to perfection. And I loved the beef kofta. Like the koftas were amazing. It was moist, but you still have a bite to it. While we were busy with the grills, we totally forgot that we also ordered chicken mushroom soup. And you can see there are chunks of chicken. It was creamy, well balanced, and super delicious soup, and perfect for winter evenings. We also got the classic cheese samosa in the mixed grill, and I asked my husband to do the pull apart, and look at that. If you haven't tried samosa, you should definitely do. It's the best. The Arabic samosa is completely different from Indian samosa, so definitely a must try. If I wasn't stuffed from the picnic, I would have ordered more. I also ordered some shawarma takeaways for the late night hunger strikes. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.